Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I'm here to show you my luscious, beautiful brown locks that I got from using this awesome hair color. This is from HALLY and it is a completely foaming hair color kit that really made my hair feel soft and really luxurious. The kit was super easy to use. I really love that it doesn't have a strong odor and it doesn't feel like it's a big production to color your hair with this kit. Inside you can see that it comes with everything that you need as well as good instructions and the gloves to protect your hands. The product feels really clean feeling and natural, and it has beautiful color throughout after I colored my hair. Now I started with my dark roots and I have blonde highlights, and this provided really beautiful coverage. I wanted a deep brown that matched my natural color, and that's exactly what I got out of this kit. I love that it was really simple and easy to use. Once I put it all throughout my hair with that foaming product, then all I had to do was wait 30 minutes and then rinse it clean. Even after rinsing it, what I liked about it is that for days after, sometimes I have the color that rubs off on my towel, and this product did not at all. All I had to do was shampoo, condition my hair, and then it was ready to go. In addition, they include a glosser that really makes your hair pretty even for days after, and that's a foaming product as well. So it's really easy to apply and get into your hair. If you're looking for a kit that doesn't have harsh odors, that really feels like it's nice and luxurious on your hair while you're using it as well as after, then you need to check this out. But that's just my point of view.